Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Alpha methyl dopa is primarily used for pregnancy induced hypertension, but it was widely used in the past, but now we use it for hypertension in pregnancy. Calcium channel blocking agents are used in the treatment of hypertension. Include we use nifedipine for treatment of hypertension. Actually, nifedipine and even amlodipine is also a calcium channel blocker used for treating hypertension. Which of the following is not a front-line antihypertensive drug? Atenolol is not a front-line antihypertensive drug. Actually, calcium channel blockers and diuretics are the first-line drugs according to JNC 8 classification. ACE inhibitors, calcium blockers, and diuretics are first-line drugs. Which of the following should not be used in setting of severe hypertension in elderly on the empirical basis? In severe hypertension in elderly, we should not use prazosin because prazosin can cause postural hypotension. So it is not used in elderly patients.
thank you and thank you for watching.